Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PM Expert. Today we will learn about EBITA, a simple way to understand a company's operating profit. EBITA stands for earnings before interest, taxes, and amortization. It tells us how much money the business makes from its core work before we subtract loans, taxes, and amortization. Now, let's break down the three parts we are ignoring. Interest is money paid to banks, taxes are paid to the government, and amortization is spreading out the cost of invisible assets like a brand or a patent. The formula starts with net income and adds back interest, taxes, and amortization. If you already know EBIT, you just add amortization. Let's use a lemonade stand example. The net income is $5,000. Interest is $500. Taxes are $1,000. Amortization is $200. Now add them all together. 5,000 plus 500 plus 1,000 plus 200 equals 6,700. That is the EBITA. So EBITA shows how strong the business is at its core work before loans, taxes, and amortization.